Using prime factorization to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. So instead of having to list out all of the factors, I'm going to show you how to use prime factorization to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. Let's pick two numbers. Let's pick 24 and let's have the other number be 60. All right, so using prime factorization, using a factor tree, we'll break these numbers down into all primes. So 24, we can say 2 and 12, 3 and 4, 2 and 2. Okay, I've got them all circled. They are all primes. Okay. Now, let's write that factor string down. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And we don't need to write them in exponents right now. All right, let's do 60. Let's do 2 times 30. 5 times 6. 2 times 3. And let's write down that string. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so we have two strings, and I have a note right here for you. It says to find the longest factor strings that both numbers have in common, and that will reveal the greatest common factor. So what do they have in common? So they have, and I'm going to highlight these, they have a 2 and a 2. They have another 2 and another 2. And they have a 3. So, according to what I have right here, find the longest factor string that both numbers have in common. So they have two 2's and a 3 in common. So let's write that down and multiply. So, 2, I want to use black here. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. The greatest common factor is 12.